chebela mgbe ị ga-anwụ ha chebela mgbe ị ga-anwụ o agụ nwere obi ha ga-anọ nga ha chege ga ọnwa egbuo ha o ndị obi kpọrọ nkụ ayi ha ga-anọ nga ha chege ga ọnwa egbuo ha ndị obi tara mmiri ọkwa ha na-eche mgbe ha ga-anọ akụkọ ọjọọ ha na-eche mgbe a ga-ebugharị mana ha ga-anọgide Chukwu nna m wee palie enu gị elu haya ha ga-anọ nga ha chege ga ọnwa egbuo ha ndị obi jọrọ njọ. They don't dare wait to make you die. Ashi. They don't dare wait to make you die. Oh, haga nonga hachegi up. God, pali ego elu. Oh, haga nonga hachegi pam. Hey, agu werobi one them.
Imo worldwide.
Onye mnekoku ya bago. Agu werobi kam na gwanu gi Chukwu ebulela ya elu. Hey. Agụ nwere obi ịbụ nwanne m obi arịla m mma.
Ogene ile na-akpọtụ.
Nna m ịma na asị ebugharị ọnọdụ. If you move music, we move position. I am a happy soul and I pray to God that all my life I want to live celebrating people while they are alive. And today is another beautiful day and beautiful opportunity God has given to one night working. Agụ nwere obi na London. Mama ya na mama mu otu nne. Then papa ya Muslim na baptism. Ka ihe m kwuru ụra asị fote mazị n'ọbaka. Nwanne m nwoke nọ Belgium. Sweet dream ya wee shigbote nrọ na-atọ ka honey. Sweet dream kpọm na phone. Sim 31st of this May. Na kpụrụkpụtụ ga-agba n'ihu ehi. Ọgbanichiri ga-agba n'ọnwa. We go know who is who. That Odogwu was born on the 31st of May. Ya wa Agụ nwere obi
na London.
Mpepo, Sagu Kem, Agụ nwere obi like me. All the Odogwus was born in May. If you were born in May, ping. If you were born in May, ping. One of the na first stack. Now I go road. Who's the way I go? Amu word of it. British Kabajama. Only kun on yenta webber. Sweet dreams, you will share your happy birthday. Boy, I see your money. Na Chineke Nagame Korea. No get big go do 120 or high back. Chineke chose to pass your Zanya your home. No would Jara call. Oh, we are called. Chineke Ganya, and don't know what one Fibona Bumbo. They make women be happy. You know, Magane. I go where in Nigeria, there are UK and on UK.
I go in London.
I got a show about Lisa. Anybody where they think of death for you, and I think I got burial. That comes to get short up by a take I get see a good minute. When you know, you got to come. I got to come. I got to come. I go when you know, you got to come. I got to come. I got to come. I get back. You're married, Mama. Happy birthday, my brother. Long life and prosperity. You shall go and you shall come. Sure, but I heard you move over here. You got it. You're going to get to China. I'm going to go to Koga. Now, Jesus Christ is going wine. Amen. On your wine, on your no. No, yeah, I will eat the yellow. I will eat the way. Amen. He get me more chapel, me probably tell Amen. 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 My baby, Adam Naya, welcome.
Thank you.
I've missed you.
Missed you too.
Oh my God. Uno from Wakuna video post. Uno na who is she? Who is she? She has come to prove whom she is. That's her stupid mother. That's her stupid mother, and this is the responsible father. Get out.
Gary.
I was Gary. Oh my God, these families.
Lovely.
lovely. Richie, go and hang yourself for wall.
Oh, I give myself.
Thank you. The show is almost ready.
Yeah.
Once Chidera is here, everything will be go sharp. Who is going to slay in the hall? She's a slay queen. She is a slayer. Wow.
You know why not? I was here since now. I'm in London since how many days?
Sister Maggi,
I don't know.
this Ian man here. That's all this. Of course, so slay quick.
So you will slay goat. Slay goat. Slay goat. Slay. Check I'm now. How you about to get let me give you people name. What? Slay bamboo.
Oh my God.
Slay a cook. This is the best slave queen. Nonsense queen. Hey. I'm with Kwame.
One day prime minister.
Slave talking.
One day prime minister.
They know the slave papa here.
I'm a monkey. I live in the bull.
Slave papa.
Hey.
Here.
Oh, Papilo.
This night will be a total shutdown.
Papilo. Tutu. Jogacho there. He maybe in it. Maybe in it.
Who dying where? I could say like me for happen. Please is here. Please there. Period. Up Nepal. Electric gas. Okay. Muna, check out this family. Check out this. Oh. We are so diabolical. See what my brother brought for us. Oh my God. See ours. That's me. See yours, see mine, see ours.
Okay.
See ours, see who brought gift for us. That's my birthday gift. That is a cat in our midst.
Why am I looking like that?
This is a female cat. One is a father figure cat. Then bamboo is
I live in this zoo.
Thank you.
I live in this zoo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm so grateful. That's my birthday gifts keep coming in the UK. Birthday gifts. There was camera. Oh, Mamma, bomb thrower. Bomb head, bangam, sign here called Gunner. Only mother carried in them. So we are almost 99% ready for the show. 99% ready for the show.
Shut down.
Shut down or shut up. When I shut up.
As you shut down.